was the one who was too naive, thinking you're the one I could run to when the rain starts falling. Water's rising up and it's getting higher. Clouds are rolling in this stormy weather. Where are you now when I need you most? You tell me lately all I do is bring you down. You don't know what to say when I'm around. You don't ask what you'd prefer. I take my sorrows and my hurt somewhere else. Oh, if you wanna run away, the moment all the tears start falling down my face, I won't stop you. Go and try to run away. If you can't take the rain, if you can't take the rain. Looking at my life from a new perspective, I am not the girl that I expected to be. Lift my head off of your shoulder, stand up straight, I'm getting older. Realize it once for what I need. If I have to, I know I will let you go. 'Cause I am less and less afraid to be alone. I thought you ought to know the truth, but maybe it's too much for you in the end. And oh, if you wanna run away, the moment all the tears start falling down your face, I won't stop you. Go and try to run away. If you can't take the rain, if you can't take the rain. I'm hoping that you will wake up and find that you were just afraid, that all you need was time and my love for you to find your strength. And if I am calm and if I am kind and give you enough space, that would bring you closer. But if you wanna run away, the moment all the tears start falling down my face, I won't stop you. Go and try to run away. If you can't take the rain, if you can't take the rain.